I've had an amazing time being at Kidz Bop Kids, meeting fans, going on tour, recording songs, and making these videos. But new Kidz Bop Kids will be joining the Kidz Bop community, and me, Grant, Ashlyn, and Sela will be going on to our next adventures. We searched the country for the most talented kids, but since there's so many of them, we couldn't just narrow it down to 4. That's right, guys, there's going to be 6 Kidz Bop Kids, and guess what? We've kept them top secret until now. They are here today, and you'll get to meet them. Alright, and here are the new Kidz Bop Kids. What's up, guys? Alright, what's your name?
I'm Cooper.
What's your name?
My name's Isaiah. My name's Freddie.
Nice. Alright, let's meet these guys right here. You ready? What's your name?
Sierra.
What's your name?
I'm Anya.
And?
Juliana.
Alright, but guys, guess what? I have your new album, Kidz Bop 34, right here.
Yes!
Yes, alright, but guess what? We're gonna be playing the unboxing game. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Okay, cool, let's get started. Alright, let's see what you got in that box, yeah?
Number 1.
Alright, what do you think that is linked to what song? Whatever.
Maybe it could be
Gold?
number 1.
The greatest because it's
The greatest.
The greatest.
Yeah, the greatest.
Yeah, she got it, and it's the greatest. Alright.
Hey.
Alright, you get to keep that. Your turn.
Oh, 24 karat magic.
Yeah.
Magic.
Yeah.
Boom, alright, you got it. Thank you very much. Alright, your turn. Let's see what you got in here.
Turn off cell phone.
What can it be?
Wait.
Okay, you want to know maybe because you're turning off your cell phone?
All time low.
No. Maybe.
All time low?
No. Maybe. Keep on thinking, guys. We're almost there. Okay, I'll give you another hint. How about it has the word talk in it, and it has the word.
We don't talk anymore.
Boom, got it.
Oh my
There
gosh,
we go.
yeah,
Don't talk
that
anymore.
one.
That's for that one. All right. Your turn. What do we got in here?
We got gold. 24. We got gold. Gold.
Gold. Yep, you got gold. All right. You ready?
Snow globe.
Snow globe. New York City. I know this one. This is a good one.
Does it say anything on like the road?
Nope, just says taxi.
Taxi.
I think there's a song called Taxi.
Snowy.
I'm gonna give you I'll give you the last name of the artist, okay? Orin.
No, Horn.
Yes.
This town.
Boom. Ready? Your turn. Let's see what you got.
The envelope.
Send my love.
Yeah, send my love. That's it.
You got it.
Let's go.
You got it. All right. Nice job, guys.
Yeah.
Keep watching for more awesome videos of these guys. They'll be here for a while. We're so excited to have them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. All right. See you guys later. Bye.